The full form of RCH is Reproductive and Child Health Care, MMR is Maternal Mortality Rate, and IMR is Infant Mortality Rate. Amniocentesis is a fetal sex determination test based on the chromosomal pattern in the amniotic fluid surrounding the developing embryo. It helps to know the chromosomal abnormalities in advance. Sex determination is illegal and it sometimes leads to the killing of female fetus. Natural methods of contraception include periodic abstinence, coitus interruptus, and lactational amenorrhea. Mention different barrier methods of contraception: condom, diaphragm, cervical caps, and walls. Intrauterine devices include non-medicated IUDs, example Lips loop, copper-releasing IUDs, example Copper T, Copper 7, Multilode 375, and hormone-releasing IUDs include Progestasert and LNG-20. IUDs increase phagocytosis of sperms within the uterus, and the copper ions released suppress sperm motility and the fertilizing capacity of sperms. Name the oral contraceptive developed by CDRI, Central Drug Research Institute. The answer is Saheli. What is the component of oral contraceptive? Progestogens or progestogen-estrogen combinations. Name the surgical methods of contraception: vasectomy and tubectomy. Vasectomy in male and tubectomy in female. In vasectomy, a small part of the vas deferens is removed or tied up through a small incision on the scrotum. In tubectomy, a small part of the fallopian tube is removed or tied up through a small incision in the abdomen or through vagina. Full form of MTP is medical termination of pregnancy. Which period MTPs are considered relatively safe? During the first trimester, that is up to 12 weeks of pregnancy. Full form of STD is sexually transmitted disease. It is otherwise called VD or venereal diseases. Mention few STDs: gonorrhea, syphilis, genital herpes, trichomoniasis, hepatitis B, and HIV infection leading to AIDS. Principles to prevent STDs include: avoid sex with unknown partners or multiple partners, and always use condoms during coitus, and in case of doubt, go to consult a doctor and get early diagnosis. Write full form of ART, assisted reproductive technology, IVF, in vitro fertilization. SIFT is zygote intrafallopian transfer, GIFT is gamete intrafallopian transfer, ICSI is intrafallopian sperm injection, and ET is embryo transfer. IUI is intrauterine insemination, IUT is intrauterine transfer, and AI is artificial insemination. What are the features one would find in an ideal contraceptive? It must be user-friendly, easily available, effective, and reversible.